At USC Upstate, we think of ourselves as a metropolitan university, which means we try to respond to and serve the needs of the region, primarily as an undergraduate institution with some specialized master's program.
So the reason we started looking at virtual desktop infrastructure is we had the issue with space and labs, physical machines in labs. Every department wanted a lab or a new lab or more machines in their lab to provide students, the software that they needed for their classes, the experience that they needed, the availability that the students needed.
So kind of our story, we were again saying no to a lot of things, and we couldn't respond to the demand of the campus. So by leveraging VDI and VMware's technologies, we were able to finally start saying yes and responding to the quick changing demands of some of our faculty and education in general.
Spartan Green Sky is our university's implementation of VMware's virtual desktop technology.
If somebody needs a desktop computer, our standard is a virtual desktop on VMware and on using our VDI Spartan Green Sky environment, which is secured, which we can control. So now our data is not just living anywhere, it's living where we want it to live and being housed where we want it to be housed.
App Volumes gives us the ability to stream these applications to anyone and any pool they're in and keep their settings along with them, so we don't actually have to create and manage individual desktops for each person. We didn't go after App Volumes looking for licensing control or licensing savings, but we've learned rather quickly as we got into this space that we're saving a lot of money on licenses because now we're only buying the licenses for the amount of usage that we're using the application.
We're going to continue to grow in the online space and try to offer more of those resources in that space. High performance computing, opportunities for faculty doing research and doing big data, and learning more about our students and about just their areas of research in general, offering those in our off-peak times. Looking at more active desktops so we can engage the students in many different levels when they're logging in and furthering the university's brand. That's huge. We want to create Spartans. We don't want them to be any other school and identify with them. We want them to identify with USC Upstate, and so we're able to do that whether they're at home where it normally would be their own desktop. Now it's ours, and it's furthering that brand, which is really cool.
For us, particularly as we move forward, as we think about the future and the students we're trying to access, it couldn't be possible for us to do the things we're doing without Spartan Green Sky, without students, no matter where they are, to be able to have the same kind of service, the same kind of experience that they would have were they right here on campus.